Hola clase, espero que todos estén bien. In this last video, we're going to talk about a couple of things that we need to complete by the end of the semester. So if you do look on your D2L page, you should be able to see all of your grades for the semester so far. The only things that you are missing grades for is for the instructor feedback journal. Okay, so if you have not completed that yet, it is due December 11th on Wednesday by 11:59 p.m. Arizona time. So here is the blank template. This explains on the participation tab under content what you need to do. Remember that that's turned in here via assignments. Okay, those of you that have turned it in already, I have already created those. I've already put in as well your grades for all of your partner dialogues, as well as the online VHL activities. The only thing that we are missing now is the final exam and the feedback journal if you haven't completed it. I've also made it so that you can see what your grade is so far in the course, so please let me know if you have any questions. As well, please remember what your time is to meet with me in the calendar. I have days available Friday the 13th, Monday the 16th, Tuesday the 17th, Wednesday the 18th, and Thursday the 19th. I have these times available for you to sign up to complete your oral final with your partner. Also remember for the evaluations, look at those. The evaluations are due by the 11th of December. Okay, that's the end date. And if we can get students to complete them at a response rate of 80%, then everyone in the course is able to get extra credit. So remember, I can't see who completes them or who doesn't complete them. The only thing that we need is a response rate of 80%. So if you guys can take the evaluations for the course enough so that 80% of the students complete it, I'm able to give you guys extra credit in the course. I can't offer any other type of extra credit that is locally based because there are so many students in the course who are not in Tucson. This is really the only type of extra credit that we're able to give in the online program. So we have 26 students in one class. Just keep Ugh. So 21 students out of the 26 need to complete it, and in the other class, we'll need 22 students. So we're going to look up at about 22 students, 80% response rate, and that way you guys are all able to get extra credit for this course. So if you do have any questions, please let me know. We are coming to the end of our class. We have finals coming up. All of your grades have been posted, and you should be able to see your final grade as of now. So please send me an email with any types of questions because I will be posting final grades next week. Thank you. Where did it go?